Hello, beautiful people. This is Teresa from the Crochet Ninja, and I am here to show off my mystery yarn crochet project. I finally got it finished. I'm checking to make sure I have it right. And I did use all the yarn with the exception of one, and that's because it's wool, and I'm allergic to wool really bad, so I couldn't use it. Just touching it and was bad. So anyway, here it is. Hubby's manning the camera for me so he can get all the details. I know I'm a little late, but I've been sick, so I had to do it with Lori's permission to be a couple days late. But here it is, and I hope you guys forgive me. I can't wait to see what we do in September and how that's going to work. In the meantime, everybody have a great day, a wonderful week too, for that matter, and God bless you. Bye-bye.